Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Discover with Dave. This particular video is part 2 of the basic Photoshop tutorial. I did Adobe Photoshop on selecting cutouts, taking a cutout of an image photo, and the first video was on putting it into another photo. This one is going to be how to cut out something of an image and add it to a video. Okay, if you don't know how to select part of an image, select an object in there, you have to watch the first video. But this one I'm going to get right into what to do once you've already selected and cut out the image, the object that you want to put into the video. So at this point, the first thing is saving it. Okay, when you go to save it, you can't save it as a JPEG. If you do, this transparent background will turn white. And if you go to drop that into your video, you won't see your background. You'll just have the white background with the rocks or whatever the object is, and it'll defeat the whole purpose and look stupid. So what you're going to do is when you go to save it, you hit File, Save As, and you can name it whatever you're going to name it, and then click the format and go down to .png. Okay, .png. That'll maintain the transparent background. Now when you hit save, it'll pop up with options here. It'll say just whatever it is, you can just leave it as it is and just hit OK. Alright. Now at this point, once you have that saved image, now for videos I'm doing, and we can get more into it in another video on Adobe Premiere, but I'm doing an Adobe Premiere product video right now, and I'll show you quickly. Now this is an image I already started working on. I was doing a little kids video here, and I had cut out some plants. And this is the timeline I've been working on here, but you'll see this, I had this little plant that I had created, and it slowly popped up in the image, and it would drop down and things would pop out and stuff like that. But for the boulders, what we're going to do is I wanted to try it, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, I'm having a little toy car go by, Safari. It's a Safari thing, and I want to put a boulder in there, so I'm going to grab the boulder, which I've already added here. Okay, I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to let me back up a little bit. So my background, everything's about layers. Okay, it's about layers, and if you're going to put something on top, you have to make sure it's on a layer above. Like for example, any titles you do, here I had a background, and then the title above it is right here. That would be video 2, and then if you want something on top of that, otherwise it would be blocked. Okay, so the boulders I'm going to grab. Oops, I'm going to grab. And I'm going to put somewhere over here, and the amount of time you can alter. Oh, okay, so they're there right now. Now I'm going to select the boulders, and up here in the video effects is where you can change the size, the percentage, the scale. Okay, so here's your scale. The scale's not too bad. Let me first change the position where it is now first. Okay, I want to bring it over. Maybe over here a little bit. Yes, if you actually want to change the rotation, you can even do that too. If you want to change the rotation a little bit. Alright, maybe let me just leave there. And if I wanted to do a second one, I could even do a second on top of that if I wanted to, even do another one. I don't know if I want to, or if it's necessary, but I could. Grab, for example, and put it on top of that one, even so. But this one I might want to put I don't know. Something like over here or something. Okay, whatever. Okay, so so this way, when the car goes to drive by with the giraffe's head sticking out, now what I have to do is, for that particular, I have to extend. As an image, it's easy to extend it however you want. I have to at least extend it to the end of that particular video clip with the vehicle driving by the scene. And then I'm going into a transition of the vehicle coming the other way. So I probably would want it in there too, unless I want to do something else like plants popping up or trees or whatnot. So but this was just meant to be a quick tutorial, more of a Photoshop. I didn't want to get too much into the video aspect. We can do more of that later. Thanks again for watching Discover with Dave. Please subscribe and keep watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.